What's up YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about mostly sneakers and tech. And as you guys can see, today is unboxing day. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a brand new Adidas Profeer now that we've reached 10,000 subscribers. You have to subscribe to the channel, you have to follow me on Instagram, and I'll put the link down below of the mechanics so you guys can join our giveaway. Before we get started, can I just say my new sneaker wall is looking really good. These are mostly crepe crate boxes that I buy from Soul Academy or Capital over at Uptown Mall in BGC. This is mostly containing the sneakers that are the most expensive ones in my collection and the ones that I love the most, ranging from the Yeezys to the Jordan 1s, the LVs, and all of those stuff. But anyway, over time, this should get bigger. Let's get started. For the first unboxing, we have this new collaboration from Puma and Puma Staple. This is called the Tsugi Shinsen Staple Puma collaboration. And this one I got from my connect, Shoe Freak PH. Over at Instagram. I'll put the link down below. They actually released this locally over at Sneak Peek, which is a local store here in the Philippines. But Sneak Peek only runs with small sizes. They usually go up until size 11 only, and I'm a size 12 to 13, so I really had to look somewhere else to be able to buy this shoe. So let's go over and unbox it. Woo! Look at that. This one, when I saw it on Instagram, I knew that I had to get it, and I knew that I had to buy it because this is my official ninja shoe. It just looks really kick-ass. I mean, from the build, to the colorway, to the Puma there, to the NT-RV at the back, and to the overall comfort, the sock-like fit. This is a really kick-ass shoe, and I really wanted to get it. So again, expect a review of this particular shoe, the Puma Tsugi Shinsen Staple in Blue Depths and Olive Night, coming soon here on the channel. Next up, we have something from Jordan brand, and this is something I actually already featured in one of my earlier vlogs, wherein I'm trying to figure out a way how to sell on StockX here in the Philippines. Now, what I noticed was that some shoes in the US or in different parts of the world, or at least on StockX, are being bought at a premium price, maybe because the stocks are low. But here in the Philippines, they're not selling out as fast. So this one is actually sitting on the shelf over at Nike. So I saw that some people were paying like $220, $230, some even $240 for the shoe. But this one was just being sold for a little less or a little over $200 here in the Philippines. So I just wanted to see if I could make a quick buck. That entire process I will document in another vlog. Anyway, this is the Jordan 3 Katrina or Hall of Fame. So let's just quickly open the box just so you guys can check it out. This is probably one of the most underrated shoes here in the Philippines. I just love the quality of the leather, the intricacy of the design, and just the overall character and feel of the shoe. I actually kind of regret that I am selling this over at StockX. It's unfortunate that somebody already bought it, so I couldn't pull it out. I'm actually due to send this over to StockX via UPS later today. So, but anyway, this is the Jordan 3 Katrina. I love the red, the colorway, the elephant skin thing, the quality. Again, this is just a really good shoe. I mean, seriously, for this to sit in shelves here in the Philippines, it is mind-blowing. So if you guys are still looking for a nice, kick-ass, all-around, everyday casual sneaker, and you want something that's limited, you want something that's in high demand in other markets around the world, guys, come on, seriously, pick this one up. It's selling in Nike stores for a little. I can't remember the exact price. I think it was 9,400, 9,500. But this is a really good shoe. We have one more shoe that I want to unbox. This is the Soulland Nike SB Dunk High White. Now, this particular shoe I saw on Instagram as well from Shoe Freak PH. He's my plug. He gets me most of the rare shoes. Again, he doesn't sell stuff for cheap, guys. You're probably thinking, or you're probably wishing that he's selling like below retail. Nope. He sells a little, he has his reseller prices, but what I love about him is that he is very excellent in customer service and he makes a way to find shoes that I really want. But anyway, again, this is the Soulland Nike SB Dunk High White, and this one I love because of just how the muted white color and then with the mix of the blue accent just makes it pop so much. I'll do the unboxing just so you guys can see it. So this is the shoe. Let me turn down the light to give justice to it. I mean, seriously, look at that. The white and off-white, the suede, the double swooshes with the blue here and the white. And here's one cool thing. If you take a look at the back, it says Friday. I don't know the camera. There you go, Friday. looks really nice. And I just love the quality of the leather, the quality of the suede, the quality of the materials. And again, I'm a sucker for shoes that have excellent character and personality. This one is definitely one of them. So I look forward to wearing this week, and I'll again expect a review of this shoe in the coming days ahead. You know what? Let's live up to the, this is also a tech channel, so let's do a quick unboxing. This is the UE Wonderboom wireless speakers. I've been looking for wireless speakers for quite a while now, and this is the one that has been on my must-buy list for quite a few weeks. I ended up finally buying it. Actually, I bought this a few weeks ago, and mainly because I'm in need of wireless speakers in the office, so that when I do presentations, I have like something to bring around. Now this one, I ended up buying because it just looks so good, and when I did the sound test, it actually outperformed a lot of speakers that were in the double the price range. Again, it looks really small, very simple, just all black with plus minus here. The controls, it's wireless. It actually doesn't have an aux-in plug, so it's very straightforward. Just connect to it and then excellent sound. I'll do probably a review of this one soon, but this one I got for a little over 5,000 pesos over at Power. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it was Power Max Center or Digital Walker, one of those tech stores in the Philippines. So again, watch out for my tech review of the UE Wonderboom wireless speakers. I'm excited to test this one and put it through the paces. And that's actually it for this vlog. Very straightforward, very simple unboxing. What do you guys think of the sneaker wall? Is it a nice addition compared to just having a bland plain white and the lights? Let me know what you think in the comment section below, so I can adjust it depending on your comments. So again, that's it for now. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Watch out for more content in the coming days. I am trying to do this daily, so as much as possible, I should have content for you guys every morning when you wake up on sneakers, tech, and everything else that I find fascinating. God bless. Hope you have a great weekend. Peace.